everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to transform any photo into a stunning romantic rose dress portrait using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI creative platform that will help you to generate any AI creative content, and then creative AI images, and then AI talking photo, avatar video, and many more. And then in here we will use this tool to create a creative image, the romantic rose dress portrait. And if you want to try this tool, you can just click the link in the descriptions to access this tool. And then, okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI, and then go to more, and then go to Image Studio, choose AI Designs, and then just upload the photo that you want to transform like this. And then after that, just write your prompt. Before, I already prepared my prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, or if you want to create your own prompt, just feel free to create it. And then after that, just choose your AI model, and then choose your ratio, and then after that click submit and wait for the process. And okay, like this, let's just take a look. Like this, you can see your photo will be transformed into a romantic rose dress portrait while keeping your face recognizable like this. It's so natural like this, and I think it's so beautiful. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.